Welcome back to another video. Today we will discuss the new sub-account feature that was implemented on the website. Before you could apply, but it was not in the website. You had to contact support. Now it's much easier. So I will show you exactly how it works. So you will go to your icon here and you will go to your dashboard. Once you are in your dashboard, you will go to apply for sub-account. That's it. Just click here. And here we go. So you need to fill the assets in BTC. So for example, if you have one BTC, just put one BTC. Optional, your monthly trading volume in the last 30 days in BUSD. So just put your trading volume. And in futures, this is for spot, this is for futures. So let's put here 5 million or 50 million, whatever. And you indicate the purpose of the sub-account feature. So usually this is for trading bots, or if you are managing other people's money, that would be a valid reason. And finally, indicate which broker you are using to run the trading strategies. And leave it blank if no broker is being used. After you fill this, you just click submit. The problem is that you need at least $1 million or VIP level 3 or higher. So yeah, that's a little bit of a problem. So most people cannot apply for the sub-account feature on Binance. But if you have over $1 million, then it's very easy. You can do it directly on the website. So that's how it works. Unfortunately, normal people like you and me, we are not, I don't have $1 million. So we cannot do that right now. And I hope they will reduce this requirement to a more reasonable amount, maybe $100,000 or something, so that we can use the sub-account feature. If you want to know more about the sub-account feature, you can go here to the FAQ, and there will be this section where it shows how it works. So for example, you have this master account, and then you go to your sub-account, and each account has their own spot, margin, and futures account. But it's all linked to the master account, your main account. By the way, if you still don't have a Binance account, you can sign up with the best referral code, 20% off your trading fees for life. And the link will be in the description or in the pinned comment down below. That was a quick video. And if you have more video suggestions, make sure to leave in the comments, and I will do my best to make this video if I see a lot of interest in that topic. So that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.